So a lot of people have been asking how to make a PACE bracelet. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple one. Here's how we do it. Most of the beads that you're going to be finding out there are going to be about the same thickness as 550 cord or paracord. You're only going to really need about a foot to a foot and a half of 550 cord. Gut it first, take all the inner cord out. Once you take all the guts out, put them off to the side. You're not going to need that, you're only going to need the sheeting. You'll still need to melt the ends so that you can actually move them around through the beads. Be really careful with it. You can even get the ends to have a little bit of a tail, which will help you later to feed beads through, so you're creating the PACE bracelet itself. So once you have those in place, then you start stringing your beads on. Now, the idea is that when you have two of these lines going through, it creates enough friction and tension on the beads in order for them to stay put in place. So it has to go through twice. So start off, you take one bead, and just start feeding it on through. Usually it's about 9 beads for every 100 meters that you're going through. And then you'd also have about 4 beads for 1,000 meter counts. Total, you would be able to count out 5,000 meters off of one PACE bracelet. You can do it however you want. It's your own thing. This one has 10 all the way across, so I can know that when I'm counting across, I get all 10 beads over to one side. Okay, that's 1,000. Start going the other side. Then I only have to keep track of thousands at a time. Once we feed lines through in this direction, then we have to reverse the direction with the other line. Once you have your pieces in there, then you just start pulling them apart from each other until you get a size that you can fit over your wrist comfortably. Then you're going to be tying an overhand knot. From there, cut off the excess and cinch the excess directly onto the knot. Be careful not to cinch it onto the line that it's supposed to slide on, because obviously you want it to be able to slide and adjust. And then from there, all you have to do to adjust it down is pull the running lines through the beads naturally, kind of organize themselves, and you got a PACE bracelet that you can adjust your count, ready to go. So, there you guys go.